In this video, we're going to talk about tool changer maintenance. Your tool changer is the hardest working part on your machine. Don't take it for granted. Whether you've got a side mount or a carousel style tool changer, make these checks at least once a month. And none of these checks require any special hardware or equipment to keep your tool changer in tip-top condition. Command a tool change with tool holders in both sides of the double arm. Press feed hold when the double arm is at the bottom of its travel. Then press E-stop. Grab hold of each tool holder in the double arm. It should be impossible to remove the tools without pressing the plunger. The first tool doesn't move, no maintenance is required. However, I'm still going to lightly grease the double arm grooves, the plunger, and the slider cap to keep things going. Now this tool has too much movement, and as you can see, I was able to pull the tool out without pressing the plunger. This double arm needs maintenance. For further assistance on double arm maintenance, click on the link below. For carousel tool changer, simply grab the tool holder and try to rock it back and forth. If you find the tool holders are loose, then the extractor forks and keys should be replaced. Even if you haven't performed any maintenance, lightly greasing the extractor fork, keys, and the springs every month is a good idea. Click on the link below for more information on carousel maintenance. For replacement parts or more information on your tool changer maintenance, visit haascnc.com. I hope this video was helpful. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to post it in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, thanks for watching.